Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm Shana. This is Shana and The City, where we cover all of life's little luxuries. And then when I say luxuries, I do not just mean material things and handbags. Those are nice. We cover those. They are nice. But luxury is a mindset. It can be anything that you like. Today's video, we're going to be covering top snacks of 2022. In particular, top vegan snacks of 2022. Now it's early on in the year, and so I'm saying it quite kind of early, and I might change my mind. I might update this list later on because I'm a woman and I got the right to change my mind, all right? Right now, I'm going to tell you these snacks are the bomb. Let's jump in. We got 4 categories today. We got sweet, we got crunchy, we got savory, and then we got dessert. So let's go ahead and get it started with the sweets. Now, I'm gonna tell you, some of this stuff been ate out of because we be snacking. So first things first is these dark chocolate almonds, and I've been snacking on these. As you can see, the bag is half gone, and that is okay because I'm not trying to share them with you. I'm just trying to share this information with you. So get you some of these. You can get these at Target. This is the Good and Gather brand. This brand is the bomb. These are the Himalayan salted dark chocolate almonds, and we know that dark chocolate has health benefits, and we also know that pink salt has health benefits. So these are really good. It's not too bad for you. In 11 pieces, you're going to get 160 calories, which is not too bad. They're quite big. The pieces are not small at all. They're pretty substantial in size. Moving on to the next thing in the sweets category, and we got some Good and Gather brand. Again, it is going to be the dried fruit. I love this dried fruit. The pineapples are good, but in particular, these mangoes are so good, like for real. They are so bomb. They definitely give candy. Like if you're one of those people who love to eat candy, give this a try because they're nice big pieces. They're always soft and chewy. They are really, really good, and it's only one ingredient in dried fruit, and it is whatever that fruit is. The only thing in here is mangoes. Mangoes have so many health benefits to them too. Like they are amazing fruit that we need to get more of. So get you some of this Good and Gather brand dried mangoes. I'm telling you, they're gonna be good. Next up in the sweet department, I got this Kite Hill brand yogurt. I love this Kite Hill brand. This brand is so good. They do an amazing job with all of their dairy alternative products. They make from almond milk. It's dairy-free, soy-free, gluten-free, kosher, vegan, non-GMO, made from live cultures, no artificial flavors or preservatives. These are amazing, and they taste really good. I probably taste all of the vegan yogurts brands, and this is the one to try right here. Some of them, you know, this one is a little bit sweeter, I would say, than the other ones, but who wants some sour cream tasting yogurt? No, you want to eat yogurt, you want to have a little sweetness to it. This one right here is the bomb. In particular, this is the vanilla flavor. I love this. It's more like vanilla bean, not just regular old vanilla. When you put the bean on the vanilla, it just do something to it. All right, so this one is really good. Try this one. I guarantee you're going to love it. I get this at Whole Foods. Moving on into the savory department, we're gonna pick up where we left off. We're gonna pick right back up with this Kite Hill brand because I told you I loved it, and when I like something, I be all in. I be all into it. This right here is the Kite Hill Queso. This is so amazing if you want to do nacho night, or if you want to put it on a baked potato. I don't know what you do with your queso dip, but this is amazing. This one has a little bit of kick to it. It is dairy free. It's made with almond milk, and it doesn't have any of those things that it said it didn't have in yogurt either. No soy, no dairy, no gluten, no preservatives, and it is packed with flavor. It has the green chilies and the jalapenos in it. So I definitely recommend this brand. I get it at Whole Foods, like I said. Next up in the savory department is going to be this jalapeno hummus by 365 brand. It's the Whole Foods brand. I'm telling you, this hummus is the best. I don't know if I mean, outside of eating at like Mediterranean places, I don't think I've had hummus, like packaged hummus, that was as good as this. The jalapeno flavor with the hummus, they did it right. They got the combination right. The creaminess is right. It is so good. Get you some of this. Now, I ain't telling you to go in there and if they don't have the jalapeno one, you try the lemon, because I ain't tell you that, because I ain't say the lemon was good. Now, I don't know, you might like the lemon. I personally don't love the lemon as much as I love this. This is the one right here. Get this one. This is fab. Next up, we're moving into the crunchy category. We're going to start that with a Good and Gather brand from Target. This is the organic vanilla bean granola. I told y'all, when it's something about when you put that bean on that vanilla, it just do something to it. And this granola is fire. This one right here, I found it at multiple Targets and it's so good. It's vanilla bean granola. I put some of that on top of this yogurt. I put some little strawberries in there. I throw some hemp seeds on there, and I got me a little parfait cup that is so amazing. I'm telling y'all, try it. I got good recommendations. I'm telling y'all I got good taste. I'm telling y'all I got good taste. Next up in the crunchy category, we got these pistachio nut clusters. This is the 365 brand that comes from Whole Foods, and they are amazing. There's only like 5 ingredients in here, I think. Yeah, so it's the dry roasted pistachios, the brown rice syrup, cane sugar, sea salt, and then palm oil. They are really good. They are pistachios, so they have some health benefits to it. They do have some sugar in it, so if sugar is something that you're watching out for, which we all should be, you know, then you obviously you want to take that into consideration. It's not too bad. Per serving is 6 pieces. It's about 150 calories, and it's 8 grams of sugar total. So not too bad. It's satisfying for that crunchy, salty, sweet kind of craving that you might have. This right here is a game changer. It's a keeper. Next up in the crunchy category, we got these Enjoy Life lentil chips. Now you probably not seen these. These are so good. In particular, the dill and sour cream flavor. Oh my God, they are so light, they are so airy, and they are so flavorful. Definitely recommend them. I mean, you don't even need, they're so light that I would say it probably will be hard to like chip dip it, like have a dip combination with this, but definitely like just grab a handful. They're so light, you don't feel bad after them because they are lentils, and we be needing a little extra protein in our lives because that's what lentils do. So these have in a 1 ounce serving, it's 140 calories, it's 3 grams of protein, and it is packed with flavor. Try them. I get them from the Whole Foods. Next up, we got my favorite. These Skinny Pop mini rice cakes are so good. In particular, in the salted caramel flavor. I'm telling you, you're gonna thank me for this one. This one right here, game changer. These are so fire. Now, they're vegan, they're non-GMO, they're gluten-free, dairy-free, peanut-free, tree nut-free, preservative-free, no artificial flavors, no trans fat, a good source of fiber, and they are delicious. I'm telling you, there's 60 calories for every 10 cakes that you eat. I could eat 20 of them, and that's only 120 calories. You can eat 30 of them, and that's gonna be 180 calories. Now stop. Put the bag down. Go put the bag up, because you will sit there and eat them, and you do not need to do that. But they are that good. I'm telling you, they are that good. Get out and go try these today. Next up in the crunchy category, we got my son's favorite. These are the bean steel nacho flavored chips. They look like Doritos. They do not taste like Doritos. I'm gonna tell you right now, they are good though. They have 3 main ingredients. First one being black beans, second is navy beans, and the third is brown rice. Everything after that is seasoning and oil, and they are actually pretty good. I'm not gonna say they like really good, like I said with everything else, but they decent. Paired with that queso, you got a decent little nacho situation going on. Get you some little, seitan, or put you some nachos together. Like, it's a decent little situation going on. They have protein in them. I'm telling you, my son, I cannot give him a plate of beans, but I can give him a bag of beans and he's gonna be happy with it. And I'm gonna be like, all right, cool. You eating beans, that's all that matters to me. So these are amazing. They are definitely a good alternative if you want to give it to your kids. Kids like chips. These chips are made from beans. Trick them with the beans. Next up, we got the dessertish category, and I only got a couple of things for this category because I am going to be doing a vegan cheat day video very soon, and so I wanted to save some of that for that video. But I got a couple of them for you because I couldn't leave you like that. All right, so we're gonna jump on in. This right here is the So Delicious dairy-free chocolate dipped salted caramel cashew milk ice cream bars. All right, did you get all that? They are good. Now, they are extremely rich. Next up in the dessertish category, we got these acai superfruit bites. They are really, really good. They're only 50 calories per bite. They're relatively small. I would say maybe like a 2-3 bite thing, but they're really good and they're refreshing because it's the fruit in it. It's just fruit and then it's dipped in the chocolate so you get that chocolate feel. That's it for me, guys. I thank you so much for tuning in. Let me know what you thought in the comments below. Did you like it? Have you tried any of this stuff? What do you like and what do you snack on? Put me on. I put you on to my favorites. Put me on. Tell me what you like. Have a great day, have a great week, and let's have a great life.